Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Bon Voyage title in Desert Bus. This prestigious title is awarded to players who complete the game's full, arduous journey. It's a true test of endurance and patience, requiring a significant time commitment. Many players seek this title as the ultimate badge of honor within the game, showcasing their dedication to this unique simulation experience. The first part of your quest for the Bon Voyage title involves driving from Tucson, Arizona, to Las Vegas, Nevada. This segment alone requires about 8 hours of continuous, real-time gameplay. You'll be behind the wheel of a bus, maintaining a steady 45 miles per hour. There are no pauses, and you must avoid any collisions to successfully complete this leg of the journey. Once you arrive in Las Vegas, the journey isn't over. You must immediately turn around and drive back to Tucson. This return trip mirrors the first, demanding another 8 hours of focused driving. Successfully completing both the outbound and inbound journeys, totaling 16 hours, awards you 1 point and the coveted Bon Voyage title. It's a test of sustained concentration. The main challenge in earning the Bon Voyage title is the sheer duration and repetitive nature of the drive. The road is mostly empty, with minimal scenery changes, making it a true test of mental fortitude. There are no exciting events, just endless highway. However, achieving this title is a significant accomplishment, recognized by the game as the ultimate display of perseverance and commitment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.